Hello students, this is Sujata Kamre coming with class 10 NCERT SSC Maths with Sujata ji. Let us come to the next topic, that is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so how can we use the Pythagoras theorem in the various types of example? So let us see the example one, students. In triangle ABC, angle C is an acute angle, segment AD perpendicular segment BC. Prove that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC multiplied by DC. So now here see in the figure, this is the triangle ABC and there C is the acute angle. Student, angle C is the acute angle here. Okay, C here. And here segment AD is perpendicular to the segment BC. Okay. So now here in the given figure that we have to let out, that is AB as C, AB, the segment AB as the C, then AC as B, this one AC as B. Because of these opposite, their opposite angles are capital letter B, so here it is called as small letter b. Okay, opposite side of this C, small letter C of the angle of capital letter C, so it is called as C. Okay, and here AD, consider AD as the P and BC as the A. This one totally, this BC as A, because the opposite angle of the side BC is angle A. So that's why it is called as a small letter A. Now here DC is equal to X. You have to consider that DC is equal to X. Then we can say the BD, that BD will be A minus X. Okay students? So here in triangle ADB, there are the two triangles which are right angle triangle, that is triangle ADB and the triangle ADC. So first we choose the triangle ADB, which is a right angle triangle, and apply the Pythagoras theorem in it. So here we get, that is a C square, this C square is equal to A minus X whole bracket square plus P square. Okay, that means the C square is equal to, now here do the expansion of the square of A minus X, student. So A square minus 2A AX plus X square and plus P square. So here call it as the first one equation, students. Okay, now see the next part here, students. So the next part is that in triangle ADC, now choose the second triangle which is right angle triangle and apply here the Pythagoras theorem. So here B square is equal to P square plus X square. Okay students, see here, this is the P, this one, this side is the P and this one is the X. So now here you can apply the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ADC here, student. Okay, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle ADC. So we have B square is equal to P square plus X square. So we can write this as P square is equal to B square minus X square, students, and call it as the second equation. Now we have the first and second equation. So now substituting value of this P square from 2 in equation 1. Okay, we substitute this B square minus X square in the equation 1. Okay, so now here C square is equal to A square minus 2AX plus X square plus B square minus X square. Okay, so now here C, students, X square plus X square minus X square get cancelled out. So the remaining part is C square is equal to A square minus 2AX plus B square. Okay, what is this? That is the C square. C square means this one, that is the AB square students, which is equal to A square. A square means total these parts students, that is from B to C. BC square, B square means AC square, and minus 2AX, that means minus 2. A means BC and X means DC. So this way we can prove out. Next example students, in triangle ABC, angle ACB is obtuse angle, segment AD perpendicular segment BC, and prove that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC multiplied by CD. So now here students, first observe the figure. So here in this triangle ADB, in this triangle ADB, that there is the angle A, so opposite of angle, that is BC is equal to A here. Angle D is a right angle triangle, okay, and we can say that the angle ACB, this angle, students see here that angle ACB, okay, that is in triangle ACB, that angle C is obtuse angle, okay, and the AD perpendicular to the DB. So now here in the figure, segment AD perpendicular segment BC, then here we have to let AD as P, then AC is equal to B. See here, this one AC, yes, AC is equal to B here students. Then AB is equal to C. See here, AB is equal to small letter C, because the opposite side of the side C is the angle C is the opposite of the side AB. So we consider that AB as C, BC is equal to A, then DC is equal to X, DC is equal to X, and then DB will be A plus X. This total DB is equal to X plus A students. Okay. Now here we apply the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle, and here are the two right angle triangle. The first one is the bigger one, that is the ADB, is the right angle triangle students. So apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So here AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Okay. So now the substitute the values here that we consider. So here C square is equal to A plus X whole bracket square plus P square. Then C square is equal to expansion of this square of A plus X, that is A square plus 2AX plus X square, and the P square. So now we have the first equation. From the right angle triangle ADB. Now see the next part, that is here similarly there is a triangle ADC, and that triangle ADC is also a right angle triangle student. So here we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so that way we can say that AC square, see here this one, that AC square is equal to DC square plus AD square. Okay, and by substituting these values, then we have B square is equal to X square plus X square. Okay students, so this way. So P square is equal to B square minus X square, and call it as the 2. So now we substitute the value of P square in equation 1. So after substituting the value of P square in equation 1, then we have that C square is equal to A square plus 2AX plus XB square. Okay, so now here AB square, C square means AB square, A square means BC square, 2 means this one, A means BC, and then X means CD. So this way, and the B square means the AC square. So this way we have the AB square is equal to BC square plus 2 plus AC square plus 2BC multiplied by CD student. So such a way we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle students. Students, thank you for watching our videos. Achieve your success with us. I sure that you will get 100% success in maths. So watch our videos continuously, regularly. Like our videos, share our videos to your friends